Hey everyone, it's Felicia from Polyvegan Kitchen. Going plant-based, you tend to miss certain foods. Fish is a favorite for many, and how do you replicate that in the vegan world? Well, today I'm going to show you a dish that is easy but oh so delicious. This is a tofu version of coconut fish, also known as ika lolo'i. When I discovered that a simple seaweed wrapped around tofu could transform the taste, I had to try it for myself and put my own spin on it. So here's my version of coconut tofu fish. Enjoy. So the ingredients you're going to need is 1 block of extra firm tofu, 1 nori seaweed. You'll probably need about 2 sheets for it. You're going to need cilantro, garlic, ginger, kaffir lime leaf, onion, tomato, lime, 1 cup of rice or rice flour. You should be able to find the rice flour in your local Asian market or the international food section of your grocery store. Oil, black pepper, mushroom seasoning, which you can actually substitute with salt. Coconut milk. I recommend this one because it is super thick and it's super creamy. And so that's what you're looking for, especially because this is the key ingredient that brings everything together in this dish. Chop all of your vegetables up. Now we're going to move that to the side and wrap our tofu in seaweed. For this portion, you're going to take your block of tofu and you are going to slice it in 3 like so. Take 1 sheet of your seaweed and wrap it all the way around. Cut off all the excess and put it to the side for your last slice of tofu. As you can see here, I am taking the leftover seaweed and I'm using it to wrap the last slice of tofu. Now we're going to take our blender out and I'm going to pour my rice into it and place it on high so that it can grind the rice into a fine powder. Once that is done, take your rice flour and pour it into a bowl. Add enough water to the mixture and stir until you get a nice thick batter. Gently take each slice of tofu seaweed and cover it in the batter. Once you are done with that, we are going to deep fry it in oil. Because we used rice flour, you will notice that the outer coating has a nice crisp to it. Fry on each side for about 4 minutes or so, or until it is nice and crispy. Take the tofu seaweed out of the oil and place it onto a wired rack or a paper towel to drain the excess oil from it. Now for the fun part. First, we're going to saute our onions, garlic, and ginger. Afterwards, we're going to add our cubed tomatoes and kaffir lime leaves. We're going to allow those ingredients to get to know each other in the pan, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our black pepper and mushroom seasoning. Give that a minute or 2 to saute and then add in your coconut milk. And this is pretty much it. We're almost done. I like to cut each tofu slice into 4 and add it into the coconut and then turn it around on each side so that each piece gets an even layering of coconut gravy. Turn it on low and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This process marries the entire dish together. Once that is done, go ahead and garnish it with cilantro and of course, some lemon or lime. I like to eat tofu fish over rice or some type of starch such as taro or cassava. Today, I'm having it over rice and let's go ahead and give it a taste. All right. This is really good. I'm gonna have to take another bite. I hope you give it a try, and if you do, please share it onto Facebook or Instagram and tag us. We would love to see what you made. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. We upload a new video every Monday. And remember, no matter where you are on this journey, there's always room for you on our table right here at Polyvegan Kitchen.